All right, it's a rainy Monday morning in Georgia. About to go up in here and get us some poplar bark, tulip poplar bark, because we're doing a unit on making baskets and containers with poplar bark. So just got to do what you got to do, raining or not. All right, we tested this Monday or Friday, I think, and the bark is slipping. We're going to take this tree eventually for the outdoor classroom anyway, but we'll go ahead and get a strip of this off so we can start making some bark. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's not the ideal working conditions, yeah. But see how that works. Yeah, that's what it was. You see that coming off in there. Again, this tree will provide a lot of resources for us at our outdoor classroom. I'll eventually fell this and use all this bark, the wood. We'll use some of this bark for cordage, and probably even dry some and powder it for some cooking mix. But this right here will work today. All right, now, is this good on the tree? No, it's not. But this tree is going to be used in our process at camp at the outdoor classroom. Thank you, tree. All right, so guys, look, this tulip poplar tree, the bark on it, we're gonna cut it off, and you're gonna get to touch it and feel it inside, because it's pretty cool the way it comes off. You can only do this in the spring, early summer, when the bark is when the sap on the tree is running up the tree to feed it. The outer bark is this stuff that you see, but when you see this thing open up, you'll see the smooth inner bark in there, and when you start peeling it off, then it's really going to get interesting. You can smell it, you can feel it, and once it gets ready to come off, then it will pop. It kind of just pop right off. It's pretty cool. But I want you to get your fingers under there right now and just feel that. Feel that.
Oh, smell it.
Isn't that wild? Smell it. It'll smell way stronger once we get the bark off. Okay. Now this is how I do it. Did you feel it, Jake? You want to feel the inside of that tree? Oh, how smooth that is?
It's wet.
It's wet. That's the sap that's been rising. Now, if you did that with your hands on a pine tree, like I'm doing in my log cabin, oh gosh, yeah, it'd be real sticky. So what I like to do is I like to put my hands under it and just kind of rub my fingers across where this is still stuck, and you can see it doing that. Somebody want to try that? You have to put a little pressure on it to kind of force it out. You feel it? Oh yeah, yours is turning loose. You feel it? Try it. Yeah, just put your fingers down in there, kind of like you're kind of pressing in between. All right, get over here and work your hands under there. Get like my hand. Yeah, there you go. Go that way. You feel it? What's that feel like, Lee? We can salvage that. We'll take the best piece, probably this one. We'll work on it today. Feel of it, smell of it.
I got you.
You see how I left just the inner bark so that when this folds, that looks like an elliptical.
Okay.
Cat eye, or a venomous snake eye, or a football.
I want to see a snake, but I'm scared.
No, don't be scared. They're scared of you than you are them.
Man.
Now, do y'all see what we got going there?
That's cool. I thought you were going to like soak that bottom piece of it.
Oh, yeah. No, that's what that inner bark does. It holds it together like a hinge. Okay. Bend it down till we get it to turn loose just a little bit. I see it's starting to cut right there a little bit, but we can make all that work. So now, look, we got us a basket going.
That's fire.
That is fire.
You said.
So you thought I didn't know what you're talking about.
That's fire.
That's fire. All right. So now we've got to stitch the seams up, and to do that, we've got some tools over there that we'll work with.
Well, you finna do that
all the way through. Now look, you want to keep
out my face.
See how that one's going there, and this one's way over here?
Watch
I'm
your
gonna pull that
fingers.
one out. Pull that one out, back out. Just wind it back out. There you go. And then go back in that same hole. And then angle it. No, go back in that same hole. Whichever, no, the hole you just put in there. And instead of going straight down, you probably want to angle it out.
I got you.
Like that, Casey. All right, try that. You're going to take this awl and kind of squeeze that together. And you're going to run that awl all the way through both pieces of bark. It's a little more difficult than with just a modern drill, but it will work, okay? So now we're going to do that hole there. Try to keep it even. Then, as a matter of fact, we tied that first one up.
Are you almost done with your log cabin?
No,
Dang.
Still got a lot of work to do. All right, then we'll come back here and we'll keep it evenly spaced from the edge and an evenly spaced coming down about right there, I'm guessing. Watch your hand, sugar.
When do you think it'll be done?
Probably, hopefully by the end of the summer.
Are you making it big?
No, it's not that big.
Big enough.
It's big enough for me. 10 foot by 12 foot. How many square foot would that be?
20?
10 foot by
120?
12. 120.
Yeah, I said 120.
120. Okay, good. So that's about all I need. All right, so y'all see how I'm doing it with the awl?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it with a drill so we can speed this up. That way you'll get to see some stitching. All right. All right, do another one right there. Get in. There you go. That's good. That's good. About right here where my thumb is. Nice. All right. About right here. Keep it running.
Y'all
Keep it
faster
running.
than me.
Oh,
And then back it out. There you go. All right, so we got one in there. All right, so now I'm gonna come. All right, there's one. So let's come about right here. Right here.
all right.
Yep.
Did I go all the way through?
Yes, ma'am, you did. You know how to do it.
Oh, God.
Now look, what you might want to do is turn the angle of your bit, get it started in the wood, go, and then straighten it up. Like that. Straighten it up. There you go. Now come right here.
Check it out.
Did it go through?
Okay, hit me one more time right there. Straight down. There you go. All right, good. Okay, so this one's ready to start stitching.
Look at that boy.
Mine's ready too. I finished it for y'all.
Yours? What are you doing, brother? Your shoes are dirty. Get down here, man. All right.
That's why I wear boots.
All right, now this one, you just may have to jiggle it around to find the seam in it, right? To find the hole. You have to match those up. All right, let's go ahead and get that other one going.
You what, 13?
All right.
There we go.
Good. So you've got all of that. Now before we tie this off, we're gonna try and tighten all of this string up with your needle. Take your needle. What I like to do is I just come up here. So we're gonna tighten this one up. I'm gonna grab this with my needle and just kind of give it a little snug there, and then this one right here. See how that one's moving?
Oh yeah. Oh okay. Yeah.
So you're gonna do the same thing with this one.
And
That
then just
will
lift
snug-
it up.
Yes, ma'am. Just snug them up.
Okay.
Like that one, we'll tighten that one down.
Okay.
Yeah, just do it with your fingers a little bit. There
Okay.
you go. You got it.
It fit through a little bit.
It did. Okay, good. You pulled it through?
It all makes sense
Great.
now. Did
All right,
you do it?
good.
It didn't do it.
That one,
Here you go, baby.
there it is. You just grab it and pull it. That tightened it
My
down.
turn again.
It kills it only kills you if it goes to your
These holes that we did all are big enough
Or your chest.
that
you go to your
poisonous spiders?
they should go.
Yeah,
go to your
They
chest
don't.
muscles.
You know,
and
they're
not really
everywhere. I'm very confused on this one.
We can make them.
Poisonous spiders are everywhere.
I don't know.
I
Nothing
did
about
it.
those spiders. Like,
Matter of fact, there's one right there.
All of that one. Now it looks like what you did here is you missed one. You missed a hole. So see how long that one is?
Yeah.
It should come through there. So just
There,
pull it out and do your needle again, and you'll be ready to go. You done?
About the dome.
Excellent.
It's off for the picture.
Yeah, you look so much better with your hoods on. Hey, back up right here.
Well, there's some wood in my foot.
Can you get your hoods, please?
I can't.
Come on, man.
Come on now.
Come on, everybody. Hey, back up kind of in a picture style. JJ, you're so tall, you got to get behind everybody, man. Or squat. You can squat right there. Yeah, that's good.
Wait. Okay.
No sticking tongues out, but